Hi, my name is Rawan. I will be showing you a video on how to create your own virtual picture. Let's start, okay? So first you open a website called Panoform, okay? And then you click on try it. When you go to this try it, you click on choose file, and then you go to the desktop. You choose a file from the desktop, a picture that you took from the desktop, okay? But before I do that, I'm just gonna show you how does the picture look like before. So I'm gonna double click, and this is how the picture looks like. And I'm gonna show you another picture. This is the other picture that we're gonna use. So those two pictures, we're gonna see them in a different way now using that website. So I'm just gonna select number 2 and open. When it opens, it's gonna be a virtual vision where you can rotate it. You click and drag the mouse up and down, right and left to see the notes that were written around that title, time management. So this is another way of presentation that you can teach your students on using it, and this way you will be preparing them for virtual presentations. Sooner or later we will be having virtual reality classrooms, and this is why we are trying to create this experience. If you want to take this further, you go to the right corner on the bottom. This button, you click on it, and it's gonna show you 2 copies of that picture, because when you use this website on the iPhone or your smartphone, you're gonna choose the picture. It's gonna show you 2 of these, and then you will have to use your cardboard for the virtual vision. So as you can see, you can rotate it, but by moving your computer. I'm gonna go out of this and go back. And now I'm gonna show you a different picture, okay? So try it again and choose a different picture this time. I'm gonna choose number 3. And this is a cool one. It shows you the house in the middle of the sea. But also when you rotate, it shows you that you are standing on the bridge, and up there's the sky. On my left there is these trees and the seashore, and when I rotate again on the right, there's also the seashore and the trees, and behind me there's the trees and the island or the ocean, the beach that I'm standing on, wherever. But it seems like I'm on a bridge. This is a cool one, right? So now I'm gonna go back and show you what the website looks like. So on the website, there are different options. They will show you how it works. The grids, because when you are creating those pictures, you need to keep in mind that the pictures should be the same size as the grids. So you can download them from here, and you take the picture. Then the picture, try to match it with the grid, or to put it at least on these edges to be the same size. And then you create your own cardboard using Google Cardboard or another tutorial from YouTube. And that's it. I hope you learned something new today. My name is Rawan again, and see you next time.